I thought creating movie scenes with AI would be simple. I was wrong. I spent 3 weeks trying to figure out different AI video tools, wasted $200 on subscriptions that didn't work, and ended up with choppy, unrealistic footage that looked nothing like actual movie scenes, but it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter. So to help you make professional movie scenes easier, here are 4 steps I learned that will help you create Hollywood quality footage in minutes. Traditional video production costs thousands of dollars and takes months of planning, filming, and editing. Professional movie scenes require expensive equipment, actors, and post-production teams. But Higgsfield changes everything by letting you generate cinematic scenes with just text prompts and reference images. You can create movie-quality footage without cameras, actors, or editing skills. Unlike Runway, which excels at quick iterations or Sora's text-to-video strength, Higgsfield specializes in character consistency and reference-based generation. Where Kling focuses on motion dynamics, Higgsfield gives you more control over maintaining the same actors and settings across multiple scenes, making it perfect for creating cohesive narratives. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform simple ideas into stunning movie scenes, master the prompting techniques that get the best results, and create content that looks like it came from a major studio. I'll show you how to access Higgsfield through the link in the description. Step 1. Setting up your Higgsfield account and understanding the interface. Getting started with Higgsfield is easier than most video tools I've tested. When you first access the platform, you'll see the main homepage showcasing 3 major feature cards and the primary navigation menu. Familiarizing yourself with these areas will significantly reduce your learning curve and improve your workflow. At the top of the interface, you'll find the main navigation bar. This includes sections for Explore, Image, Video, Edit, Character, Contests, Vibe Motion, Cinema Studio, AI Influencer, Apps, Assist, Community, and Pricing. On the far right, you'll see the Asset Library button and your account settings under Personal. The homepage displays 3 prominent feature cards that highlight the platform's current offerings. The Cinema Studio 2.0 feature is marked with a version badge, indicating it's an updated tool. Similarly, some menu items show new labels or version numbers, helping you identify recently launched features that may offer enhanced capabilities. Before diving into content creation, take time to explore each section of the navigation menu to understand what tools are available for your specific project needs. In the next step, we'll focus on selecting the right tool and beginning your first generation. Step 2. Crafting the perfect movie scene prompt. The way you write your prompts determines whether you get amateur footage or Hollywood-level scenes. Now that you understand the interface layout, it's time to choose the right tool for your creative vision and begin your first project. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Cinema Studio 2.0, which provides the most comprehensive toolset for creating professional cinematic content. Click on Cinema Studio 2.0 from the navigation menu to access the workspace. Upon entering Cinema Studio, let's start by pasting your prompt with the environment and mood. Instead of just person walking, try dramatic sunset alleyway with moody lighting and cinematic shadows. This immediately tells the AI you want a movie quality atmosphere. Second, add character description and action. Be specific about what's happening. A mysterious figure in a dark coat walks slowly through the alley, looking over their shoulder with concern. The more vivid details you provide, the more cinematic your result will be. Third, include camera and lighting instructions. This is where it gets exciting. Include terms like cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, dramatic close-up, or wide establishing shot. These photography terms trigger the AI to create professional-looking footage. Let me show you 3 real examples that work. For thriller scene, prompt: dark urban street at night, neon signs reflecting on wet pavement, cinematic lighting with deep shadows. A woman in a red jacket walks quickly past a corner store, glancing nervously behind her. Wide shot with shallow depth of field, film noir style, 24 frames per second cinematic motion. For action sequence prompt, rooftop chase scene at golden hour. Dramatic backlighting from setting sun. A man in tactical gear runs across a gravel rooftop. Camera tracking alongside at medium distance. Gritty action movie aesthetic, high contrast, motion blur on background, intense atmosphere. For emotional drama prompt, cozy coffee shop interior, warm amber lighting, rain visible through large windows, close-up of a person's face as they read a letter, expression shifting from hope to sadness, soft focus on background, cinematic depth of field, intimate emotional tone like an indie drama. Here's what most people don't know. You can reference specific movie styles in your prompts. Try adding in the style of a thriller movie or like a scene from an action film to get that authentic movie feel. Let's see the results of these 3 example prompts after we generate each one. Right here, you'll see the differences in composition, lighting, character positioning, and overall mood. One version may capture your vision more accurately than the others. The key is painting a complete picture with your words. Once you master this technique, the results you can create are incredible. Step 3. Using reference images for consistent characters and scenes. Reference images are the secret to creating consistent professional movie scenes that look like they belong in the same film. When I first tried generating multiple scenes without reference images, I got completely different looking characters every time. I spent hours trying to achieve consistency and felt frustrated. But then I discovered Higgsfield's reference image feature and everything changed. To continue, select or create your reference image. On the left sidebar, you'll notice 2 primary input options, image and video. These buttons allow you to choose whether you want to start with a reference image or work directly with video generation. For this step, let's try this image reference right here. Click the plus button and upload your image from your computer. Then paste your prompt and click the generate button. Here's a powerful technique. You can use multiple reference images for different aspects of your scene. Upload one for character consistency, another for lighting style, and even a third for camera angles. Higgsfield blends these references seamlessly. The result is movie scenes that look like they were shot by the same director with the same cast and crew. It's like having your own personal film studio. Step 4. Advanced settings and rendering your final movie scene. Fine-tuning your settings is where good AI footage becomes incredible movie quality content. When I first ignored the advanced settings and just hit generate, I got decent results, but nothing spectacular. I thought that was as good as it gets, but then I started experimenting with the advanced controls and the difference was remarkable. Suddenly my scenes looked like they belonged in actual theaters. To continue, click your generated image and you'll see an interface with different options like the upscale and enhance buttons, where you can make significant improvements to your image quality. Here's a pro tip. You can create multi-shots for image consistency. Just find the open in button on the right side section, click it and select multi-shot. In just a few seconds, you'll see the magic happen. Next, we're going to animate your image. Click the animate button and you'll go to the video settings where you can add your prompt. Set the movements, speed ramps, and duration. Below, you can set your preferred shot settings. You can adjust the aspect ratio, resolution, and genre for your movie scene. Once done, click generate. In just a few seconds, you'll see the amazing results for your movie scene. And your generated video will be ready to upload to your social media account after you download it. Let me break down the real cost comparison for you. If you hired a professional video production company to create custom movie scenes, you're looking at $5,000 to $15,000 minimum, plus weeks of pre-production, filming, and editing. If you tried learning traditional filmmaking yourself, you'd need months of practice, expensive equipment, and probably years to get Hollywood quality results. With Higgsfield, you can create professional movie scenes for less than the cost of a nice dinner out, and you'll have your footage ready in minutes, not months. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing, but I've been using Higgsfield for months now, and the results speak for themselves. What if I'm not creative enough? Trust me, the AI does the heavy lifting. You just need to describe what you want to see. Is it really as easy as you make it look? Honestly, it's even easier once you get the hang of it. What if my prompts don't work? That's why I showed you the exact formula and examples that work every single time. Here's what you get with Higgsfield: immediate access to Hollywood quality scene generation, the ability to impress clients and audiences with professional content, potential to save thousands on video production costs, and unlimited creative freedom to bring any movie scene to life. Ready to start creating? Head to the link in the description to access Higgsfield right now. Join thousands of creators who are already making incredible movie scenes with AI, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials that will transform your content creation game. The future of filmmaking is here, and it's at your fingertips. What movie scene will you create first? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we'll dive even deeper into advanced AI video techniques.